Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad you're here. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I hope that you enjoy the content that you find here and the YouTube family that we're building. Today we're doing a clean with me downstairs, and as you can see, it's not too bad, but things are starting to pile up and it needs dusted and vacuumed and all of that sort of thing. So we're going to jump into that and get that done. But before we do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, leave me some comments. Let's get busy. Let's get this house cleaned. I'm not going to do a lot of voiceover. I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the music and the cleaning motivation, and I'll check in with you later on in this video.
I've tried to explain how much you really mean to me, but I feel a bit insane. Could you just take me seriously? I get jealous, I get down, running to the clubs trying to have fun, but I'm always jealous, it goes around. We should cut to the chase right about now. I think we should talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, so you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know that you want it. Talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, so you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know that you want it. Hate playing the game. If I let you in, I want you to stay, and I hope that I'm not wrong, that you also feel what's going on. I get jealous, I get down, running to the clubs trying to have fun, but I'm always jealous, it goes around. We should cut to the chase right about now. I think we should talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, so you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know that you want it. Talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, so you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know that you want 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 it. Talk about it. Talk about it. I get jealous, I get down, running to the clubs trying to have fun, but I'm always jealous, it goes around. We should cut to the chase right about now. I think we should talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, so you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know that you want it. Talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, so you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know that you want 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 it.
So y'all know that I have chronic migraines, right? So I'm not a big drinker. I like wine, I like a beer occasionally, but the migraines, it just isn't worth having the drink for it. I love a good Bloody Mary. That's probably one of my favorite drinks. But if you haven't tried Bailey's in your coffee, you're really missing something. That's what I'm holding there. I had some Bailey's in my coffee the previous morning and I hadn't put it away yet. That's what I'm putting away there, is my bottle of Bailey's. Very mild. It's a caramel flavor. Put just a little bit in the bottom of your coffee cup, fill up your coffee cup, and you can thank me later.
On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better. He can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do. Yeah, you can love me better than you. You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about. Tell me, do you really need me? I'm painting pictures and I'm dreaming about that good love and something that I know you cannot give me. I know what I need. to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be
So this is the first look you guys are getting of the living room all put together and with all the new furniture. So we have the couch, and these are the two chairs that we purchased that almost exactly match the sofa. The colors are almost identical, and here's what they look like together with the two chairs in front of the fireplace. So we have these two seats, 3 seats here, and then those two, and then we also have kids that like to sit on the stairs and going up the stairs right there. And then of course we have the kitchen table. So lots of seating for guests, and the house is clean. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, leave me some comments, and we'll talk soon.